Bonjour les garçons, today the video is about the question words in French, the word we will use to ask questions. So as you can see, I wrote a lot of them. Most of them really, you should know all of them but one. That should be the one you don't know because we have not really used it in Form 1. Combien? Combien, meaning how many or how much. This we will start to see it in next module. Let's take a look at the other question words for now. First of all, I'm going to ask you to pause the video and think about the words and if you know what the meaning is. Go ahead. Okay, so now we're back. Hopefully you thought about what the words might mean in English. And here are the answers. First of all, we're going to start with that word up here, qui. Qui is who, right? Who. C'est qui? Who is it? Avec qui? With who? Like, okay, so qui is for who. The second one right here is where. Où. Remember this? Tu habites où? Where do you live? Tu habites où? Where do you live? Tu es où? Where are you? Okay? Tu habites où? Tu es où? Third one. Pourquoi? Pourquoi is your favorite word because you always ask me why this, why that. Pourquoi? Why? Pourquoi il y a des garçons et des filles? Why are there boys and girls? Pourquoi le français est difficile? Why is French so difficult? Okay? And you can just go on and on and on and on. Next one is comment. Comment is, I think, one of the first words you learn in French because you always learn comment dit-on? How do you say? So comment means how. Comment dit-on? How do you say? Comment ça va? How are you? Qui? Oh, sorry, qui? I wrote qui twice, so no need to say it again. Oh, sorry. Quand is here. Quand? When? Tu viens quand? When are you coming? C'est quand? When is it? And finally, est-ce que and qu'est-ce que. So est-ce que and qu'est-ce que, if you remember them, they look similar but they are different. Qu'est-ce que is what? Est-ce que is simply do you. Let me explain this in detail. Let's erase all that and start with a blank page. Are you coming? Est-ce que tu viens? Okay, are you coming? Est-ce que tu viens? This is a est-ce que question. So est-ce que means it's a word you use when you don't want to say this. Tu viens? Okay, you can simply say est-ce que tu viens instead, right? Now, if we use qu'est-ce que meaning what? If I want to say what are you doing, I am going to ask qu'est-ce que tu fais? What are you eating? Qu'est-ce que tu manges? Okay? So this is it for the question word in French. If you can, just try to practice, try to imagine questions you may ask in French using pourquoi, quand, qui, comment, est-ce que, qu'est-ce que, où. And we will try to practice this more in class. Au revoir.